How to fix the contacts app not working, crashes, freezing, or other errors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this power icon. So after click on power icon, so if you want to fix problem, so click on restart. So after click on restart and again click on restart. After restarting, refresh phone and you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to app library and click and hold on contacts app. So after click and hold on contacts app, click on this eye icon. So after click on this icon, scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache and click on clear data and delete. So after clear cache and clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so refresh phone and again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Now here, so click on reset. So after click on reset and click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. So after reset mobile network setting, you will see your problem is solved. So it's just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix the contacts app not working, crashes, freezing, or other errors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.